Alright, we're gonna talk about door locks portrayed in the Quran. In the story of Joseph, skeptics claim that whoever wrote the Quran made a mistake. Locks were invented by Greek and Romans during the first millennium in BC. Egyptians found door locks 3,000 years before the Greeks and the Romans. History of mechanical locks started over 6,000 years ago in ancient Egypt, where locksmiths were first managed to create the simple effective pin tumbler lock. It was made entirely from wood. It was consisted of the wooden post that was affixed to the door, and horizontal bolts that slid into the post. This bolt had set of an opening with where it filled with pins, specially designed like large and heavy duty wooden key was shaped like our modern toothbrush, with pegs that corresponded to the hole and the pins in the lock. This key could be inserted into the opening, lifted when it would move the pin, and allow security bolt to be moved. During the first millennium BC, locks finally started improving with the technologies and designs that were introduced by Greeks and Romans. Supposedly. Doors, lock were invented by Egyptians 6,000 years ago, and this was only known recently. However, this was portrayed in the Quran over 1,400 years ago, before it was discovered. So what I want you to do is turn to Quran 12, 23. It says, she's in whose house he was living, tried to seduce him. She shut the doors and said, I am yours. He said, Allah forbid, he is my Lord. He was given me a good home. Sinners never succeed. So, alright, she shut the doors so nobody could get in. Okay, you guys getting me? She shut the door so nobody could get in. But for nobody to get in, then the doors had to be locked. Alright? Common sense. Today we know that doors locked were invented by Egyptians long before Joseph. And no mistakes in the Quran. How can a literate man who had lived like 1,400 years ago would have known who invented locks? How would he have known? Impossible, right?